Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 7th. Today's topic is HCF and LCM. So, let's begin.
Before we begin, we should know what is meant by prime numbers and what is composite numbers, which already you have learned in previous years, maybe in 5th standard or in 6th standard. So first we have to revise this and then we will proceed. Now what is prime numbers? A number which has only two factors. I will explain you what is meant by factors. One and the number itself is called prime numbers. Let me explain this prime numbers. Example, this digit 7. What definition says? A number which has only two factors, one and number itself. Now if we see, this number is divisible by which other numbers? So always first number is 1, as it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4, 5 or 6. Straight away 7. Therefore 1 and 7 are only two factors of 7. Therefore this number fulfills the definition of prime numbers. Therefore 7 is an example of prime number. Similarly 5. First it is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So 1, 5, these are only two factors of 5. This was about prime numbers. Now we'll see about the composite numbers. A number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. Again, we'll take a simple, small example.
Sir, we have to write this example.
First, I will explain composite numbers, then both the examples you write down simultaneously. This was example of prime numbers. Now if we see 6, always we have to take 1 because 1 is factor for all the numbers. Now after 1, second number is 2. So in the table of 2, 6 comes. Therefore 2 is also a factor of 6.
Sir,
Next.
3.
Yes, correct. It is divisible by 3. Therefore 3 is also a next factor. Now if we see 4, in the table of 4, does 6 comes? No. Therefore we cannot take here 4. Last number we were taking 5. So that also we cannot take, that is not a factor of 6. And lastly the number itself 6. So for this small number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. This definition is fulfilled by number 6, which has more than two factors. 6 has a total 4 factors. Therefore 6 is called composite number. Another example, I will take 9. Always we have to take first number is 1. Always we have to take 1 as a factor, first factor. Next, does it come in the table of 2? No.
Sir, 3.
Correct. We cannot take 2, directly we will take 3.
Sir,
Does it come in the table of 4? 5, 6, 7 or 8? No. Directly 9.
9. 9.
Did you understand these two concepts of prime numbers and composite numbers? Now you write it down. Prime numbers, composite numbers. Circle these numbers. Write down. Put small dash in between co and prime. Write down definition of co-prime numbers. Two numbers which has only one as a common factor is called co-prime number. Again, I'm repeating this definition of co-prime numbers. Two numbers which has only one as a common factor is called co-prime numbers. Example: 10,31. I wanted to tell that about co-prime numbers. 10. What are the factors of 10? 1,
1,
2, 5 and 10. Total 4 factors. So it is a composite number. 1, 2, 5.
Yes.
31. 1 comma 31. Compare these factors of 10 and 31. How many numbers are same here?
1. 1.
Upper row and their
One.
lower row.
1.
Yes, here is 1 and here is 1. Here is 2, there is no 2, no 5, no 10. Or here 31 is there is no 31. It means common factor is only 1, and that is number 1. Therefore, these two numbers are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are also called relative prime or mutually prime numbers. Next definition is twin prime numbers. Now examples: 5, 7. Now see definition of twin prime numbers. What it says: there should be difference of 2 in between prime numbers. It means when we subtract a small prime number from big, answer should come 2. That is called difference. When we subtract, we say difference. When we multiply, we say product. When we divide, we say we got quotient. So here difference means 7 minus 5. What answer comes? 2. and both numbers are prime numbers. Therefore, if the difference between two prime numbers is 2, they are called twin prime numbers. Another example is 29, 31. Now 29 is prime number, 31 is prime number. 31 minus 29, it means difference is 2. Therefore, these numbers are called twin prime numbers. Write down practice set 10. Which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? Write the question and on the next line write down this answer. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Yes, now write down question number 2. Which of the following are pairs of coprimes? Of coprimes. 8, 14, 4, 5, 17, 19, 27, 15. If you have written these examples, you can see definition of coprime numbers. Two numbers which has only one as a common factor is called coprime number. Common factor should be 1. If we see 8 and 14, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 14, 1, 2, 7 and 14. It means 1, 2. These two are the common factors for these both. Therefore, they are not a coprime numbers, or this pair is not a coprime pair. Second example, 4, 5. Factors of 4, 1, 2, 4. Factors of 5, 1, 5. It means both number has common factor only 1. Therefore, this pair is a coprime. Again, here also both numbers are prime numbers. Therefore, this is also a pair of coprimes. Now here 27 is divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 1, 3 are these two common factors. Therefore, 27, 15, this is not a pair of coprimes. So write down answer. Number 1, 4, 5. Below that, leave one line and write down number 2, 17, 19. Now write down question number 3. Question number 3. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 how many they are. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and how many they are. This question I am giving you for homework. Now write down question number 4. Write all the twin prime numbers. Write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Now if we see 59 and 61. This is prime number. This is another prime number. And difference between these two. Sorry. What happens, Siddhi?
71 and 73.
71 and 73, correct. 71 and 73. So these are two examples of twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. When we subtract 61 minus 59, we get difference 2. Similarly, 73 minus 71, difference is 2. And both pairs are prime numbers. Write down these two answers. Question number 5. Write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. Write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50.
Sir, 3 and 5.
Correct.
Sir, 5 and 7.
Write down answers. 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31. Last question. Which are the even prime numbers?
2. 2. Sir, 2.
Write down answer 2. Okay, that's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much. You can.
Thanks for watching. God bless you all.
Just wait.
Hello. Hello, sir, your voice is not coming. Yes.
Now screen is seen and voice is
Yes,
coming.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, not properly. Yes, sir.
See here in between
Sir, it is
somebody make a call.
Yes, sir. Sir, not seeing properly. It is blur.
No, sir. We can see, sir.
No, sir.